girls, this is Miss Soraya. Are you ready for the bumblebee finger play? Listen and repeat. Show me your finger and let's catch the bumblebee. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me! I'm smooshing up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm smooshing up the baby bumblebee. Ew! Yucky! I'm wiping up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping up the baby bumblebee. See, mommy, I'm all clean. Excellent. Now you practice. Now it's time to play with water and colors. We are going to be risk takers because we're going to try something different with this experiment. The materials that we are going to need are paper or napkin, pencil, markers, tape, a glass, and water. Are you ready? Let's do it.